Hey, how you doing, guys? It's Ilya Bell here. I do coding stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called sort the matrix diagonally. You know, m by n matrix, mat of integers. Sort the diagonally in ascending order from the top left to the bottom right, then return that sorted array. Let's look at this example. We got this 2D matrix, and we sort this matrix, in ascending order from the top left to the bottom right, and return the sorted array. M is equal to mat.length, n is equal to mat in the position of I.length, and both m and n are greater than or equal to 1 and are less than or equal to 100. Mat at the ij is greater than or equal to 1 and is less than or equal to 100. Well, we can solve this problem using heap data structure. You know, heap can be implemented by priority queue. It returns the value with the highest priority, and in Java, or just by default, it returns the minimum value. Go for it. First, we create two variables. The first one, which is m, is equal to mat.length, means rows, the length of that rows, and n means columns. Mat at 0.length. Next, we create a map data structure, which is integer for a key, and priority queue the type integer for the value, and we say map new hash map. Let's copy that real quick. We got integer and priority queue. We are looping through these rows. 0 is less than m I++. Then we are looping through these columns. Int j, which is 0, j is less than n j++. And at each iteration we say map dot put if absent I minus j, and new priority queue of the type integer. This method right here, put if absent, means that we put the value into that map which is associated to this key, in the case when we ain't got no key yet, or this key is mapped to null. Otherwise we just ignore this, right? And then we get the previous entry at the position of I minus j. Then we add mat I and j, and finally we again we're looping through this mat I is less than m and I++. for int j is 0, j is less than n, j plus plus, and at each iteration we say mat at the position of I j is equal to map dot get we get I minus j dot poll, means that we poll the element from the head of that queue. Right here we can use offer instead of add, you know, also, and we finally return this mat. That's it. So first we create m means rows, the length of that rows, and n means the length of that columns. We create a map, which is integer priority queue, and we are looping through this 2D matrix. This right here, I already explained it to you. This we offer the value, right? We add this value to that priority queue, which is at this position, and finally we at each iteration we pull the minimum element from the priority queue, which is at this position. Suppose we got for example we got 3, 2, 1, right, into that priority queue. Then when we say, or just 3, 1, 2, when we say poll, that means that this poll method returns 1, because 1 is the minimum element. That's it. Let's run this code. Let's submit. First try. Success. Good. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I wanna know what you think. Follow me on social medias, on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, and I wish you all the best. Have a good day. Bye.